beautiful day in this neighborhood. It's a beautiful day. No, I got that wrong. It's a beautiful day in this academia. It's a beautiful day for a baka. Would you be mine? Would you be mine? It's a beautiful day for Kamuni Woods. It's a beautiful day for Kamuni. Would you be mine? Would you be mine? Won't you be my hero? Hello. I'm here to unbox something that means a lot to me. My fellow citizens, I intend to unbox a weapon which will change our fortunes in this war. I can find the buttons. This is why Mr. Rogers used the zipper ones, because he didn't want to have to deal with this. I also lost my microphone before doing this. It's somewhere around here. But this is an important historic event. After a long time of thinking it over, I bought a new set of wheels. This is the first time I bought new wheels since 2022. Here they are. I have not had a haircut since the last time wheels have arrived. Bring in the camera for this hysteric moment. I think we may have something here. Well, just for reference, because they said 6-inch diameter wheels, but you know, it depends on what you're measuring. So just for fun, well, that's a little under 6 inches, but can't have it all. 3-inch, just under 3-inch. That, the tread, more than 3 inches of tread. That's the big one. So this has plenty of wiggle room for gauge issues. That's my main concern. So now I gotta figure out how the axles are going to work on this. This seems like the appropriate size. Except for it's too big. It's not the appropriate size. Well, the rod that they make those posts out of, it fits correctly. So let's study this. So, in conclusion, I did notice a few things. So, just for illustrative purposes, I should point out that the wheel, there you go, inside diameter of the wheel is advertised as 3/4 of an inch, and the inside diameter of the wheels on the rail bike are 3/4 of an inch.
But the 3/4 of an inch bar stock that I have does not fit. But this round bar that I have that they make stakes out of to put fence along, like muddy messes like the muddy mess right here, these stakes fit perfectly. But they only make them up to 36 inches long, and I think that they're a little bit flimsy because I bent the front axle of my rail bike. So I actually broke down and purchased real legitimate axles, which should be on their way here as of the recording of this video. So there you go. Thank you for making it this far. If you made it this far, I hope you did. I hope you found something good to watch. But I hope that you found something illustrative, educational in this, because I know not too many people make videos about, their wheels that they get. And I wish somebody would have made some videos about these wheels before, I bought these. I would have felt a lot more confident in them. Just not too many descriptive stuff. Also, look at some of my rail bike stuff. These are the 17-inch wheels made by Rail Riders, and they're the basic duty ones. So if I had a 12-inch wheel, I'd have the basics covered for them, but I am not purchasing a 12-inch wheel until I have a heap more money. So thank you all.